we're gonna do is CNC all these carbon fiber plates for the X1s. It's something we've never done before, but I brought the CNC and we're gonna be using it to cut our carbon plates. I just did a test cut and it actually worked pretty well. Created this little hole over here. I'm gonna be CNCing this plate right here for the release fin. We call it the release fin. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot. Hello, it is now after spring break and also after 5 hours of me working on building these X1s. What have I gotten done so far? These wings are pretty intricate to build, but they're made of really simple materials. Basically, you take foam board, take the paper off, put some tape on it, and then you get this nice laminated surface that's slightly flexible so that it doesn't break or shatter when crashing. Reinforce it with a carbon spar, and both ailerons get controlled by one servo. So I'm gonna work on that next, work on those mechanisms. Everything I do, I have to do it 5 times, but whatever. I'll just do it. And at the same time, I am currently editing. I'm still editing last year's vlogs. That's like really bad. And it's 2 weeks until comp. So this is a really busy week 1 for me. Everyone else is busy as well preparing for comp. We need the propulsion electronics team to build electronics for all 5 new X1s and test them. And then we gotta go to airfield, fly each one of those X1s, make sure they all work. And that's a lot of work to do. Oh my God, here's a montage that came out of nowhere. I'm gonna pull it out of the ground. Watch this.
Yeah, we got 10 chairs over there. We only have 8 though. So 25 people and 10 chairs. That means 2.5 chairs per person. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, smash that like button.
Oh yeah, these are the super expensive FPV transmitters.
Can I fly
with
one?
Cameras.
Can I fly
one? Yeah, you just throw it. Holy mother load of glue.
Look, they added like saddles, bro. It's like kangaroo. Bro, everyone got haircuts.
What's up, guys? Month -1.
I gotta go to class. Goodbye.
2 chairs for Tucson. I'll be here all day.
Unfortunately. Damn.
Oh, 360. Take that.
Oh my God.
Is this drip, bro?
Oh, bro, I hate
That was so cringy. Holy shit. I'll be here all day, guys.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to prop meeting. So right now, we are getting the X1s ready to fly because we have 5. So we gotta build redundancy in our X1, so in case one breaks, you gotta have more. You know we're placing first in comp. That's my prediction. Ayush here, what's your prediction for comp ranking?
13.
13th? Ah, Ayush.
But we do one better every year.
Yeah, wait, 13 years later we'll do it. And Maddie, what's your bet?
I said 4th.
Maddie said 4th, and Ayush said 13 because Ayush is always a hater.
The servo thing though?
Do you remember, Maddie?
Huh?
What servo aileron is?
Just look up servo.
I did.
Actually, no,
These are our 3 strobing modules. The way we have this hooked up is 3S 100 milliamp hour that's used for powering the strobe lights, as well as the flight controller. The actual strobe lights are strobing using a car strobing module, and then this is toggled using a MOSFET, and it's hooked up in such a way that this will actively strobe when powered on, unless these two pins are grounded. These are grounded when a certain limit switch is plugged in, and that limit switch is activated when the X1 is stowed inside the main plane. Even if the entire X1 is obliterated, as long as this module is intact, the strobe lights will be on, which, as far as the rules care about, that's all that matters.
Oh boy, here we go. Peter's in trouble. Peter's in trouble. What I am working on is, I'm never gonna get to tell you what I'm working on. So you know what? Instead of telling you, I'm gonna show you. Okay, when you edit this video, you know that audio that goes, wow! And then what you need to do is you need to do a bunch of like zoom ins and zoom outs on the sizing code, and then put the freaking this is sizing, because in order for plane need dimension. Therefore, thus, henceforth, consequently, we need to teach our members how to determine the dimensions of an airplane.
Alright, so like how our Arduino works, how it works. What? I'm explaining the Arduino. So we have an Arduino here, and then like it has 5 wires. Oh, what do I do? Wait, this limit switch is broken, by the way. Just thought I'd let you guys know. Okay, guys, this is how the Arduino works. First off, alright, so we have an Arduino here because we didn't really know how else to do it. We need to trigger when it like releases like that. So we need an Arduino here to like tell this to like switch from do nothing to go back home, or like follow the flight plan that we have. This is like how the Arduino knows like if it's on the plane or not. So when it was on the plane, it's like that, and then when it's not, it's like that. Mavling, it's great. We tried to do like S-Bus before, but then it didn't work.